Hello everybody, I'm Xander from Fun King 3D. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. So I have a question to ask. Am I cursed because I printed this?
Drink up, me hearties, yo ho.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
Being that I didn't steal this and I actually made it, I guess I'm relieved from the curse. So the print quality on this turned out amazing. I was definitely not cursed while printing this model. This was printed in the new AIO Robotics metal gold, and the print quality turned out amazing. This is the Pirates of the Caribbean coin One Piece by Cyclone on Thingiverse. There'll be a link to it in the description below. He did a pretty amazing job modeling this coin. I'm not sure how movie accurate it is, but it's still pretty cool. It printed like this, so we had to use a brim, and it was printed on an AM8 with a 210 degree nozzle, a 60 degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. I don't remember how long it took, but it was pretty quick. The more I think about this week's model, the more I know that I was not cursed, because the model itself is amazing and the print quality is amazing, and I love this new AIO Robotics metal gold. Thank you for tuning into this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Till next week, as always, print on. Hey everyone. So, this joke was submitted by Tony Ryan. How many tickles does it take to make an octopus laugh? 10 tickles.